So Aramid Fiber fans, I am back with another case, and it's one I've been looking at for a while, and I think we need to check it out. Let's do it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, yes, I have picked up the Enzo Aramid from Spigen. Now, if you are a follower of my channel, I've recently reviewed this case for the S24 Ultra. I'm going to be honest, it would have been a top tier 10 out of 10 case if it had Magsafe. True bill. But it didn't, and I was severely disappointed with it, so I had to pick it up for the iPhone. I've had my eye on it for a while, and here we go. Now, if you are a follower of this channel, you'll know I love Aramid Fiber. And the quality of the Enzo Aramid for the S24 Ultra was so good, I just had to pick this up, and here it is. And the quality is just as good. So we have these sort of TPU style bumpers, which are relatively rigid. On the inside we have that microfiber lining, and then we have our magnetic case for iPhone, MagFit from Spigen, and those machined metal buttons, which are great, complete with action button. And on the inside you can see the inside of the buttons are coated, so they won't scuff up the buttons of your phone, but your phone's titanium anyway, so I wouldn't really worry too much about that. But camera guard then is metal as well. It's just a really nice case. We've got Spigen's branding here, which is a little metal badge as well. It's just really nice. I really like it. So before we get this onto the phone, let's just find the weight of it. .48 grams. So it's about the norm. So this case would be kind of similar to the Binks Armor Pro, the Pataka Magi Z Pro, you know, that sort of pro cover where everything is on the phone is completely covered. So let's pop the iPhone in there. Oh man, look at that. It's so, oh, that was so nice. That is so nice. So we've got that Aramid back, which is just really smooth. It's a 1500D Aramid pattern, and it's really nice. Metal logo there, metal camera guard, buttons then, which are metal. Really clicky, tactile, action button, working, no issues, fantastic. On the bottom then, we do have USB-C cutouts and your speaker holes there. Perfect, no issues whatsoever. Just, that's just lovely. Those bumpers as well, they have like a matte texture to them. It's like a fine matte texture, but it does feel grippy. It doesn't really feel overly slippy. The back of it is completely smooth, and that is slippery. So yeah, that's kind of your trade-off with Aramid Fiber, unfortunately. It'll be smooth and slippery. One of those things, unfortunately. So we'll just do a fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners of the phone, we'll give it a twist. Oh, jeepers. And the phone is secure, it is not moving at all. It is absolutely perfect. And yeah, we'll just check out the screen lip then. So screen lip is as you would expect on the iPhone. The iPhone has a flat display, and the lip comes up over the entire display, and it's really consistent there. You can see there's no little drops or anything in the frame. So you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up that surface. That's what you want to see. Camera guard then, metal camera guard. The lenses do not protrude out of whatsoever, and you are protected there. So if you set that down flat, those camera lenses aren't going to get roughed up. So a little bit of rock, but it is what it is, unfortunately. And there it is. Like, again, I can't stress just how nice this case is. Just the quality of that pattern, that's those side bumpers, those metal buttons. And that is it as well with the blue iPhone. So you'll see there the blue lenses. It doesn't really look out of place, to be honest, and I quite like it. So yeah, that is really nice. Down to brass tacks. What's the Magsafe like? So Magsafe, it is a MagFit case, so we can do a Magsafe test. Now the Magsafe is going to seal the deal, or it's going to break this deal. That's all I'm saying, because if the Magsafe is not good, Mikey's not going to be a happy boy. That's all I'm going to say. So let's check this out. Oh my rip, look at that! Oh baby, oh baby. Like I said on my review of this case for the S24 Ultra, if that case had Magsafe, that would have been a 10 out of 10 instant pickup case for the S24 Ultra. This is that case as well. This is an instant pickup, and this is about 35 quid, which is not bad at all. I mean, look at it. It is Aramid fibre. You are going to get fingerprints and stuff like that on it, but listen, get yourself a microfiber cloth and you will be sweet. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So if you are interested in picking up this case, I will leave you a link in the description down below to where I found it on Amazon. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look to the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. I've got some good stuff lined up for this year. And if you are looking for some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Sexy, everything about you so sexy.